So I was a striker when I was younger. I feel like most goalkeepers played outfield at some point. I think I became a goalkeeper when I was like 12, maybe. The goalkeeper was ill one day, so I was like, I'll go in goal. Yeah, and I've been a goalkeeper ever since, so.
I don't even know where to start on this one. So I was a centre-back, so I was playing
For Wales?
For Wales, yeah. I was playing under 15 centre-back for Wales. And then the manager for the first team at the time, Jane, she said, we want to just put you in goal, you're tall, let's see what happens. It was really hard at first, I really didn't know what I was doing, but stuck with it. I'm glad I picked this.
Yeah.
Now here we are.
But yeah, in terms of like confidence, I've done a lot of work with like psychologists.
Me too.
Yeah, I've done a lot of work with them and I think that's helped me develop a lot.
Yeah, just makes you a bit stronger, doesn't it?
And it's so easy to say, but it's just...
I know it is.
No one actually really cares.
No.
That's what I've learned.
Yeah.
Like, you might make a mistake. No one actually remembers that mistake except you.
You're the only one thinking about it, yeah.
And just genuinely enjoy it. Like, I look back now and I'm like, oh, I wish I enjoyed certain parts of my career a little bit more. And when you go through the lows, like, the highs are a lot more enjoyable.
Yeah.
You have to make sure, like, you do appreciate that and just enjoy that moment. But also in the lows, like, try not to isolate yourself.
Yeah.
Like, figure out ways to deal with it. Like, I journal quite a lot. That's my, like, coping mechanism. And I try and, like, socialise, because when I'm low on confidence, I think I, like, tend to isolate a little bit more.
Yeah, I need people around me.
I go quieter.
Yeah, me too.
So I just try and, like, play games or, like, play cards or something.
Just be around people, yeah.
We're our own little group.
Yeah.
I think we protect each other quite well.
Yeah, we do. We really make the most of it.
Yeah. If anyone wants to be a goalkeeper, I'd say go for it.
Go for it.
Just
It's
don't
so
give
much
up.
fun. Yeah.